Hi. This is a timeless message. If it's coming across you right now, it's very well possible that you are meant to hear this in this exact moment. Use your discernment. It's not for everybody. You're going to know deep down if it's for you. So I'm picking up on this massive death and rebirth energy. And I'm literally drawing the infinity symbols with my fingers right now. So if you can see that. And that's what it makes me feel like, is like this death and rebirth. The stages, the cycles. It's always connected. One door closes, another one opens, right? I feel like you are laying to rest the past versions of yourself. The way you would show up. Your beliefs, your patterns. People, places, also I'm hearing, is being laid to rest. And there's this whole new birth of this deeper embodied version of yourself that's embodied in your truth, embodied in the power of your soul, in your, I'm hearing royalty energy right now. That might be for some people. Someone needs to hear that. And so what I'm picking up right now is that your past self 111 as I'm saying this, your past self is kind of like holding on, like out of fear of what this new chapter has for you. Your past self is afraid of what this new chapter has for you. And that's okay. It might be a little scary. You don't know what's ahead, but you do know what's ahead. I'm hearing windfall of blessings. Oh, I got goosebumps. There is a windfall of blessings and good fortune and good karma that is coming your way. It's happening now, is what I'm hearing. That the old patterns want to hold on to you and kind of delay it, because they can't stop it. They want to delay it because they're scared. They're scared of what's coming up next. Because what's coming next for you requires you to be seen, requires you to be confident, requires you to trust. I have whole body chills. And that past version of you didn't feel those emotions. They were very afraid. So this is something that's come through my collective about a year ago. 222. I want you to do a little death ceremony. I want you to light a white candle, write out a eulogy to the past version of yourself as you lay them to rest. Thank you for everything you've done that got me here. I know you're afraid, but I know what I'm doing. I got this. God's got us. Whatever it is you want to write. And just say thank you for those past versions of yourself. Because this new version of you is unstoppable. And you have a windfall of blessings coming for you now. Nothing can stop this. Okay? I also want to add this really quick before we end the message. So when you write your eulogy and you have this candle, read it out loud. Read this letter to your past self out loud, being in gratitude for this version of you. And you have a choice. You can keep the letter if you want to, or you can burn it. And if you burn it, fold it away from you 3 times. Burn it in a fire-safe dish and give the ashes back to the earth. It's completely up to you. There is no right or wrong. Personally, if I were you, I would burn it. 3-3 as I'm saying that. I would burn it. So just make sure you have a fire-safe dish, and then it burns completely to ashes, and then you give the ashes back to the earth. Make sure you're safe while doing it, and as it's burning, be in gratitude. And then keep walking with your head held high, knowing that you are anointed by the divine. And as things are going to unfold for you, it's going to happen in unexpected, miraculous ways. So your only job is to deeply love yourself and nurture yourself in this space. Your only job right now is to just deeply trust and love yourself as you're going through this metamorphosis, this transformation, this change. And so with that, take it easy, take it slow. Remember, the turtle's the one that wins the race. You don't need to rush through this. This is destiny unfolding for you. This is destiny. And the more you love yourself and the more you trust and you show up in that energy, I'm just hearing sweet as pie. It's just going to be so sweet and so good. I don't know why pie came through, but maybe somebody likes pie in this collective. I don't know. But it's just going to be so sweet and so beautiful. And it already is. It's just that past version of you is trying to make up trying to cling on. Maybe you've been having like wild dreams too. If like you've made it this far, you're probably somebody who's having like really weird and wild dreams. My video just froze. I don't know if it did that. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna leave it there. You got this. Nothing can stop this. This is destiny. Let go of the past. Let yourself be birthed new again. 222. Whew. You can't stop the beat. Ever since this whole world began. You can't stop the motion of the ocean or the sun in the sky. It's all gonna work out for you in such miraculous ways. All right, I love you guys. All of my offers are linked in my bio if you want to join the Dove Tribe, the community healing circles, if you want to work at any of my workshops. Everything is linked in my bio or listed below if you're on YouTube watching this. All right, goodbye.